Hello traders and welcome back to the Forex Geek. In today's video we'll be focusing on the volume profile, which is an essential tool that helps you understand where the majority of trading activity occurs at different price levels. So by mastering this tool you can identify key areas of support and resistance, you can refine your entry and exit points and improve your overall market analysis. So stay tuned until the end of this video to learn how to effectively incorporate volume profile into your trading approach and make more informed decisions in the forex market. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So first, let's understand the volume profile. So the volume profile is a technical tool that shows you the amount of trading activity at different price levels over a specific time period. So I'm just gonna include that. This is a TradingView platform, and we have two types of volume profiles on the TradingView platform. We have the fixed range volume profile and we have the anchored volume profile. For this video, I will be using the fixed range volume profile to explain. So I'll just put that on the chart. So like I said, the volume profile is a technical tool that shows you the amount of trading activity at different price levels over a specific time period. Let me just add one more. So over this time period from here, Wednesday 16th October to Monday 21st October, this is the summary of trading activity at different price levels within that period. And same thing for this one here. So let me explain. So unlike traditional volume indicators which only show volume traded during a particular time, volume profile gives you a clearer picture of where market participants are most active. So it's displayed as a horizontal histogram on the price chart, with each bar representing the volume traded at the specific price level. So these are the histograms, and each bar represents the volume traded at this price level at this time within from here from 11th October to 15th October. So let's talk about the key components of volume profile. So first, the first component is the point of control, or the POC for short. So this is the price level where the highest volume of trades occurred, and it's often seen as a significant level where buyers and sellers are in agreement. And this is the point of control, the line, the black line, which is the highest. It has the highest volume of trades. That point was where the highest volume of trades occurred within that time period. So it's often seen as a significant level where buyers and sellers are in agreement, and it can be used for support and resistance levels. So the next component of the volume profile is the value area, and the value area is between these blue lines. This is the value area high, is the value area low. So the value area is a range of price where 70% of all trading volume took place. So it helps you understand where the market sees fair value. And the value area consists of two key levels, which is the value area high, the blue line, the upper blue line, and the value area low, which is the lower boundary, the lower blue line. So within this area, 70% of all trading volume took place. Same thing with this. This is where 70% of all trading volume took place within this time. So the next is the high volume nodes and the low volume nodes. So the high volume nodes is our price levels with high trading activity, and they often act as strong support or resistance zones. So high volume nodes is just basically where there's much volume and trading activity, like inside between the value area high and value area low is the high volume nodes. Then the low volume nodes is the opposite. There are areas with little trading activity, and price tends to move quickly through these levels because there is less resistance. And this is an area of low volume nodes. Like this, there was no trading activity within here, and there was no trading activity within this area. But these areas where we have trading activity, they are the high volume nodes, and price often use these areas for support and resistance levels. You can see price reacting off of this volume here, But these areas of low volume, price often just sweep through them quickly. Like you can see here, price, you see this rejection week, price just sweeps through it quickly without wasting time. So volume profiles can be a powerful tool when used correctly in your trading strategies, and it can help you identify key price levels where markets are shown interest, allowing you to make more informed decisions on when to enter or exit trades. So let's talk about how you can use the volume profile in your trading strategies. So the very first one is you can use it to identify support and resistance levels. So uh high volume nodes, like I said before, often act as strong support or resistance levels. So these areas represent price levels where significant trading has occurred, indicating that market participants find value at these prices. So where price approaches a high volume node, it may pause, reverse, or struggle to break through. So um as you can see, high volume nodes, areas with enough volume and trading activity. You can see price, we were bullish here, and price gave us this break of structure right here, and we had this pullback into an area of high volume, high trading activity, which is the value area high right here, and he used it as support. You can see price giving us the double bottom right here, the W pattern, and this just signifies that we are bullish, and used the value area high here as support for price to push to the upside. So we were able to use the high volume nodes, which is this. You can see there's significant trading activity happening around here, which gave us a sign that we should be looking to enter trades from here. And the next is the lower volume nodes. On the other, they represent areas of minimal trading activity, like we said before, and price tends to move quickly through these zones as there's little interest from market participants at these levels. So we've already discussed about the low volume nodes. Let me just look for instances in price where price used. You can see this. There was enough volume here within this period. I like to draw my volume profile from swing lows to swing highs so that I'll know where price is going to retrace to uh, for the continuation of the trend. For example, we are in a bullish trend and you can see price breaking structure to the upside here. So I'm just going to draw my volume profile. Let me draw it again. I'm just going to draw my volume profile to from the low, swing low, to the high of that push, and you see price showing us the areas with enough volume. And if you draw this value area, this high volume node as your support, you see price is gonna react off of that, and price even did react off of it like twice, one here and one here. Yeah, you can see this massive push to the upside. Let me just draw this. And now there's another strategy you can use to trade the volume with the volume profile. It's called the volume shelves and gaps. So like the low volume nodes. So these are where trading activity suddenly drops off, and they can indicate potential support or resistance levels as well as possible areas of price reversals. So gaps in the volume profile represent price levels where little to no trading activity has occurred, and these areas can indicate potential targets for price movements as the market may seek to fill these gaps. So like as you can see here, there was little to no trading activity within this area. This area right here, there was no. Let's just zoom in more. You can see there was little to no trading activity right there. There was here, but there was no trading activity right there. The high volume node was above, and price broke through it looking for some sort of support right here. And it's expected that price can also react to gaps and shelves, and you can see that area acting as support to push price and continue the bullish trend. Now this is a wonderful swing, so I'm just gonna put my volume profile from the swing low to the swing high, and let's see where price will likely retrace to. And this is the point of control. Oh, this is perfect. This is a significant support level from that point of control. See price reacting off of that to give us this push to the upside, and we may be looking to continue to break as we are in an uptrend. So this is not a financial advice. And let me look for another example. Okay. Now this, remember we talked about volume shelves and gaps. You can see there's less trading activity here, and this can be considered as a shelf or a gap, and you see price reacting off of that to continue this bearish trend, push to the downside. We of course had the high volume nodes, but price swept through that and went to react off of the extreme, which also coincides with this little trading activity here. Price used it as support, resistance. Use it as resistance to trade and push price to the lower, and this was a high volume node area, and you see price reacting off of that to push price downwards. Price reacted it twice, using it as resistance. So these are just swings. You can see this swing from this swing high to this swing low, and price, we had this pullback into this point of control to use the point of control as potential resistance point for price to push downwards. You can see that's exactly what happened right there. This was a high volume node, and there was a lot of trading activity, and it's a place where both buyers and sellers agree, and it's expected for price to reverse when it hits areas like that, and it happened. This was an area with no trading activity, and you see price, there was a gap right there. You see price reacting off of that right here. So this is like a support level because there was no trading activity, there was no volume. It's a low volume node. It's like a volume shelves and volume gaps, like we discussed. You can see this one. This was from this swing low to this swing high. You see price reacting off of the point of control, and we push price to the upside. This is how you can use the volume profile in your trading strategy. So by incorporating these volume profile trading strategies into your trading approach, you can gain a deeper understanding of market dynamics and make more informed trading decisions. See price reacting off of the value area low and a push to the upside. Okay, price had a retracement into the high volume node, which is the HVN, which is a component of the volume profile which we discussed, and you see price reacting off of that to give us a push to the upside. You could combine this with basic support knowledge. You could also combine the volume profile with some indicators like your moving average or the RSI to confirm your trading setups and signals. So right traders, we've come to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest forex trading insights and strategies. Happy trading, and we'll see you in the next video.